Hey, what's up, guys? I got something here really cool to show you. Check this out. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like and that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way, you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, what's today's video all about? Well, you've seen them before on my live. You see me talk about them in the past. What we're doing are the Hard Street it's over there now. I'm so excited. The Hard Street saddlebag shelves. Coolest product I've seen at Smokey Mountain Bike Week. I can't wait to put them in Spaceball, but there's some things we got to do to prep this thing to put them in. So let's open up the package and let's take a look-see.
Oh, that's great.
Hey.
I guess you couldn't try that again.
So it's got a nice package. It's a bag in a bag.
Oh, nesting bags. My
Yes.
favorite.
Yes, nesting bags. So I paid for these. They were like $129. I'll put it up right here. What they, yeah, well, the link, not just the link, but the price of it. So here we have, this is what the shelf is. And if you look at it, it's actually kind of thick.
Oh, shit, that's what?
All right, that's one shelf.
Wow.
Then we have the piece that goes, that gets stuck to the bag.
Okay. They're soft and the hard.
Yeah. And this is the other part that gets stuck to the bag. And as they call it, the shelf lock. And there is a left and right side to it. And for me to get started, we have to open up our bag. I'm going to have to remove my saddlebag liners from Advan Black. But that's okay. I'm probably going to have to remove some of the Velcro. And we'll clean all that up with some isopropyl alcohol. I got the saddlebag liner removed. I cleaned and cut the Velcro where it needs to be to the best that I can. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install the first piece. And what I like to do is I'm going to start here on the front edge. And I'm going to place this right in here, roughly where it needs to go. And I'm going to start peeling back, on the paper here, one piece, hopefully. Yep, here we go. Peeling back one piece. And I did clean this all up the best I could with isopropyl alcohol, 80% isopropyl alcohol. And there we go. That's the first piece that goes in. It's very simple, and I do have to clean out the bottom of this bag too when I'm done. So there we go. That's the first piece. Now the second piece, this here goes in this way, and I'm going to start again around the front. Just like that. I'm going to try and line up just like that. Oh, to the top of the saddlebag the best I can. All right, so might take a couple tries, but we'll get it eventually. There we go. Now we're going to, yep, the bag tether has to get picked up. And we'll tuck this underneath, just like that. And there we go. So now the shelf goes in. Whoop. Tight. And then the lock.
Oh, well, that's where the lock goes.
Yep,
Very cool.
just like that. Now the thing is, with these tethers, it's kind of in the way, but I could throw my cell phone in there. I could throw the camera equipment in there. I could do a lot of different things. All right, everybody, and that's it for this install of the Hard Street saddlebag shelves. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully it helps you out. If you're interested in getting some, I will link their website in the description. Let them know Dr. Harley sent you. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I paid for these products. They didn't give them to me or anything. So I'm just passing along a pretty cool product from me to you. All right, guys, until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like and subscribe.